Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegance of Zoya. I hope so all of you are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I am here with amazing collection and beautiful style of asymmetrically shell. So basically viewer, this type of shell is very unique and very gorgeous. The length of the asymmetrically hemline based on your body shape and comfort level to ensure a flattering fit. So viewers, experiment with different asymmetrical design to find one that suits your style preference and enhance your summer wardrobe. So incorporating asymmetrically shell into your summer wardrobe can elevate your fashion game and make a statement within minimal effort. So uh, this type of pay attention to the fabric quality and construction of the asymmetrically shell to ensure durability and comfort during wear. So mixing and matching asymmetrically shelled with other wardrobe staple can create versatile and stylish outfit for various summer activities. So viewers, embrace the asymmetrical trend this summer to stand out and express your unique sense of style with confidence. So don't afraid to experiment with bold color prints or embellishment in asymmetrical design to add personality to your look. With the right styling and accessories, an asymmetrically shelled can be a key piece in creating effortless and on-trend summer outfits. So viewers, I hope so this type of asymmetrical design shell for summer inspire you to incorporate this fashionable piece into your seasonal wardrobe. So we were this type of dressing a versatile piece of clothing that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. So one trending style for summer in asymmetrical design which featured in uneven hemline or neckline for a unique look. So asymmetrical tops add a touch of creativity and modernity to outfits making them stand out. So viewers, this top can be sleeveless, short sleeve or long sleeve, offering option for different preferences and weather conditions. This asymmetrical design creates visual interest and can be flattering for various body shape. So when choosing a asymmetrically top, consider the fabric. So viewers, when you choosing an asymmetrical top, consider the fabric, color and fit to ensure it complement your style. So light and breathable fabric like cotton, linen ideal for summer top to keep your cool and comfortable. So viewers, a bright color or bold pattern can enhance the asymmetrical design and make fashion statement. Pairing a asymmetrical top with high waisted bottom can create a balanced and stylish look. Accessorizing with statement jewelry or belt can elevate the look of asymmetrically tops. So layering lightweight jacket or cardigan over a asymmetrically top can transition the outfit from day to night. So consider the occasion when choosing an asymmetrically top. So viewer, I hope so you like this type of collection. So go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share your friends, your family members and your relative. अल्लाह हाफिज़ viewers, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआ में याद रखिएगा.